Hello everyone, I'd like to talk to you 10 amazing benefits that you can get from lemon and baking soda. First of all, lemon baking soda, two different property. Lemon have a citric acid, baking soda have a sodium bicarbonate. These two together make a sodium citrate. This sodium citrate is a buffer. This buffer keeps your body always in good pH so that you can lose weight, number one, because it helps your body maintaining the good pH. Good pH is a good for digestion, detoxing, and keep body into homeostasis level so you can lose weight. Number two is the diabetes patient struggling with their sugar metabolism. So lemon has so much fiber helps metabolize sugar. Vitamin C is a good powerful antioxidant, so they can slowly heal your diabetes. If you think about the cancer, so lemon have so much anti-canceral property. Powerful vitamin C, it some mineral, so it helps you to struggle with the cancer, to get rid of the cancer or pre-cancer or prevent from cancer. And number three is improved digestion, because digestion is a big problem for so many people, because digestive health is a root of so many diseases. So when you have a lemon fiber, and then lemon fiber helps your body to digest well, and it cleans the toxin from the stomach. Also, it boosts up immune system. Immune system is very important because immune system is good, so your body cannot develop any antigens and doesn't have too many antibody in the body, so body can fight off with any infection, any foreign threat, from any disease. So boost up immune system is very important, and lemon is very powerful. It has, because it has the antioxidant property. And lemon with the baking soda, it lower the acidity, balance the pH. Then number six, the heart health. Leaky gut is a leaky heart. So if your gut is good, heart is good. So lemon baking soda maintain the good pH in the gut. Also, it maintain the good digestive environment, because the fiber and antioxidant, it helps your gut to stay healthy, and with a good fiber, it digests good and absorb good, and your heart is good. And then number seven is a skin. Skin needs antioxidant, and lemon have antioxidant. Balancing pH also helps the skin. And not even drinking, even lemon and baking soda mixed together, put in your skin gonna glow. So skin health is very important, and lemon baking soda is very powerful for skin health. And healing the liver. Whenever you want to heal the liver, it needs a very good digestive environment. So maintaining good pH, no toxin in the body, and then supporting your body with a anti-cancerous property with a lemon juice. It helps cleanse the liver. And then kidney infection. A lot of people suffering with the kidney disease and kidney infection. Lemon juice is very important. Baking soda is so powerful, maintaining the pH in a certain level, so it doesn't go anymore acidosis. You can came back. You can get rid of acidosis with a lemon and baking soda combined mix. And finally, the last not the least is a chronic disease. Any chronic disease you're suffering, you have to focus on what's going on. You have an inflammation. Lemon baking soda can lower the inflammation. You have infection. Anti-infection is lemon baking soda is a very good anti-infection drinks. And then if you think about that, you are suffering with a low energy, you try lemon baking soda, you'll see amazing results. Maintaining your good buffer, maintaining with a good pH is key, so you can get rid of the any chronic disease you're struggling. So again, make sure don't drink with a meal. Lemon you can have with a meal, but baking soda beyond the meal. And lemon baking soda mixed together, half lemon, half teaspoon of baking soda. Try with a full lemon juice with a 1 teaspoon of baking soda in the morning. You can do in the evening too. Make sure it's not with a meal, it's 2 hours away from meal. You will feel the amazing results with the energy, and then good sleeping, good sex drive, so many benefits. Thank you so much.